Start. The West Bengal government, acting on the directive of the Supreme Court, has issued an advertisement inviting applications for the post of vice chancellors in as many as 36 state run universities which have been functioning without a full time head for close to 2 years. The Supreme Court on July 7 issued various directions including constitution of search and selection committees for recommending names of competent and eligible persons to be appointed as vice chancellors of 36 state aided universities in West Bengal. This advertisement is therefore being issued in compliance of the aforesaid decision of court. The advertisement issued late last week by the Higher Education Department said a person possessing the highest level of competence, integrity, morals, and institutional commitment is to be appointed as vice chancellor. The person to be appointed as a vice chancellor should be a distinguished academician with a minimum of 10 years of experience as professor in a university or 10 years of experience in a reputed research and oblique or academic administrative organization with proof of having demonstrated academic leadership, it said. These 36 universities include practically all the top educational institutions in West Bengal, among them the University of Calcutta, Jadavpur University, Presidency University, and Rabindra Bharati University. The fact that these universities have been functioning for close to 2 years without a full time vice chancellor is a fallout ongoing confrontation between the state government and the governor of West Bengal, who is also the chancellor of the state universities. The confrontation came to light in September 2022 with the reappointment of Sonali Chakravarti Banerjee as the Vice Chancellor of Calcutta University, which was challenged because it had been done without the approval of the governor and was set aside by the Calcutta High Court. From the Right to Education Forum, West Bengal, we have always demanded selection of permanent VCs in all universities through search committees. So I welcome this advertisement and look forward to execution of search committees as per rules where a university representative is also a member. Ishita Mukhopadhyay